Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. Now before you go ahead and kick up the main troubleshooting process, here is what you need to check. Make sure that your do not disturb mode and your airplane mode is turned off. If you see for some reason that they are turned on, go ahead and turn them up to do the next process. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and do the advanced troubleshooting process to fix your problem. First go to settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Now turn off low power mode. If you toggle it on, your notification will get blocked and eventually you will not get any notification whatsoever. Now even after doing this process, if you still don't get the notification, then don't worry. Now here all you want to do is tap back and come to your main setting page. And now scroll down, tap on notifications, tap on show previews, tap on always. Again back to main setting page. Scroll down, tap on WhatsApp. Make sure that notification is struggled on. At the very same time, your alert should be toggled as well. Scroll down and check your sounds and badges whether they are turned on or not to get sounds and badges. Now after doing that, if you are still facing problem, you can go to the next process, which is very simple. Here tap WhatsApp notification settings. That will directly put you through in that WhatsApp notification settings, and once you are here, make sure that toggle down all of your notifications. Now to simply fix that problem. Now also all you can do, you simply can reset your notification even after turning on all of this notification. If it doesn't work, just simply tap reset notification. Tap reset and your problem will be solved. Now let's go ahead and follow the next process. If you are still facing the same problem, go to setting, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. Now if you are just turn off your WhatsApp from here, sorry to say, but you are not receiving any notification from WhatsApp. Make sure you toggle on it from here, and there you are. After doing all of the process, last but not leasting things you want to do is simply go ahead and give your restart, press that volume up button, power button together. Just power it off. After turning off your iPhone, wait around 5 to 10 seconds. Now power it up. Now wait unless your phone is get back to work and check your notifications are working or not. If you follow all this process, your problem will be solved. So this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.